Do you know that the fuel in a car, the plastic in your pen, and the medicine that we take all share common ingredients? They all share carbon atom and hydrogen. That makes them organic compounds. Hospital and clinic we use to clean a wound, especially to avoid disinfectant, we use alcohol as well.
Temaribet, Lamchi, Temaribet, Lanta.
Hello class, welcome to Temaribet. I am your general science instructor. Today we are looking at very interesting topic, which is the uses of organic compounds. So in our video, we'll try to see the main uses of organic compounds in our daily life. Just follow me. So organic compounds are basically they used as a fuel or energy source because they just easily burn. So they just act as non-renewable energy source. For example, methane. Methane is the simplest alkane. So it acts as a domestic fuel. We use just for cooking, for heating purpose in our home. Especially methane is found in biogas, the waste products. So we can get methane in biogas. So almost 90% of the biogas component is methane gas. So we can use this methane gas as a cooking purpose, heating purpose. Even we can generate electricity from the waste product by just installing the biogas. And the other one is propane and butane. The mixture of these two alkanes as well used as a bottled gas. These two considered as bottled gas. Or commonly we name them as a butagas. It's common name. The but that shows you the number, actually it's taken from the butane. So this is also very common in our daily life for cooking and heating purpose, and also we use in lighter as well. The gas that filled in lighter is the mixture of this propane and butane. So alkane mostly they use it as energy source or a fuel source. And the other one is octane. Octane, actually, we found octane in a car fuel. So we use octane as a petrol. So the gas that we fill in our engine is the octane gas mostly. So these alkanes actually, the methane, propane, butane, octane, all these act as energy source. Even kerosene act as energy source for plane jets as well. And some other alkanes like the pentane, hexane, octane, they considered as insoluble solvents. They dissolve substances that don't dissolve by water, so they act as solvent as well in addition to energy source. And the other one is the other use of hydrocarbon or organic compound is they used as raw material for plastic production. Almost all plastic industry they use alkene actually, not alkane, they use alkene, the unsaturated hydrocarbon, the alkene, because they have the capability to make polymer. So they act as a monomer for plastic. So when you make them together, when you combine one ethene with other ethene, if you combine like 100 times, you can get plastic easily. So when they become all together, we call them polymer. So they act as raw material. So the monomers make polymer. Poly means many. So the combination of the ethene and propane make plastic. Even some rubber, we can make rubber. even fiber as well from this compound. Even wax and candle as well can made from this alkenes. And other purpose of the organic compounds are, especially they used in industrially, for example, Ethyne, or easily we can say acetylene. This is a common name for Ethyne, which is in the alkyne group. So it acts as oxyacetylene flame. Oxyacetylene flame is just a torch that helps to cut or weld steel and metals. So it's mostly used for cutting and welding of metals. By just putting this oxyacetylene flame on the metal, the flame will cut the metals, especially iron and steel are cut by the acetylene compound. The other one is ethanol. Ethanol is in other alcoholic group. So in short, we can say ethyl alcohol. All alcohols are actually contain ethanol. Even the amount of alcohol that you see in different alcoholic beverages is the ethanol amount. For example, if you see in a beer bottle, if it says 5%, that 5% shows the number of ethanol actually. So they are a constituent of all alcoholic beverage, and they used as a cleaning of wound in hospital and clinic. We use to clean a wound, especially to avoid disinfectant, we use alcohol as well. So in addition to the constituent of the alcoholic beverage in beer, wine, Coca-Cola, okay, in all alcoholic beverage we just get ethanol. And the other one is ethanoic acid or acetic acid. In common, we just call it aceto. So ethanoic acid actually we used as a food preservation agent, or even to have more flavor. In industrial purpose, we just use for food flavoring agent in addition to the preservation. So by avoid infectants, it also acts as a disinfectant for vegetables, especially when you use vinegar like aceto. That the main use is to preserve the food and also to avoid infectants. And the other one is formalin. Formalin, it is a type of aldehyde. It's another organic compound. Its main purpose is to preservation of biological specimen, especially when we do investigation of cell by microscope. We have to use formalin to preserve that specimen. Unless we use formalin, our specimen may be in danger. So formalin is also very important for preserving biological specimen, especially when we use microscope. So these are some of the uses of organic compounds. So in addition to this, we use organic compound to produce even medicine. The medicine that we take when we feel ill are also made from organic compounds actually. So in addition to the fuel or energy source, raw material for plastic production, in industrial use, they have a lot of purposes. So our life is very connected with this organic compound because we use them in our daily, day-to-day activity or lives. So this is all about the use of organic compounds. I hope the video is very helpful. Don't forget to share and leave a comment below. Please join our community in TikTok, Telegram, Facebook and YouTube. See you in the next class.